Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, we are going to be drawing a leprechaun for St. Patrick's Day. Stay tuned. A happy St. Patrick's Day out there, and today we are going to draw a leprechaun. Hello, kitty. All right, this is pretty easy, cheesy, lemon squeezy, so let's get started. Okay, first what we're going to do, Lucas, is we're going to draw a U right about here on the piece of paper.
Right
So
here?
draw a big U.
Right here?
Yeah, and this will be
Right here?
half of its face.
Right here?
Yeah, but you want me to start you out?
Yeah.
Okay, start from here, and then end it right about here, and then draw a big U. Okay, just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a straight line. So this will be the bottom part of the hat. So just draw a straight line. All right, just like that.
I did get a top.
That's pretty good.
Look, it's not attached to this one.
Well, if it's not attached to it, you can raise your line up, and that's no problem at all. Okay, and now this line will be kind of like the shape of a rectangle, so you can just kind of go up here, just like that, up on this side, and then connect the two. Just like that. And remember, you have to wear green on St. Patrick's Day or you will get pinched.
How will you get pinched?
Well, that's kind of what they used to do. I remember in school, I don't know if it's like that nowadays, but if you didn't wear green, somebody would go up and they would pinch you. So, and so you always wanted to make sure you were wearing green. Okay, let's draw the top part of the hat. The top part of the hat will be like another rectangle, or you could even have it in the shape of my hat here. However you want to draw it. So you can kind of come up and then come over and then come down again. So that'll be the top part of his hat. Now on some of the hats they have a buckle. And that's just the shape of another rectangle. So
we're gonna start with
yeah, right in the middle of that hat, just draw a rectangle.
no, a square.
Well, a square is equal on all four sides, and you want a rectangle because it's a little longer. And then you also want to draw another rectangle inside of that rectangle. So there are a lot of rectangles in this drawing we're doing today.
And another rectangle, another rectangle, another rectangle.
So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles and a half of a circle. Okay, now this is the face of our leprechaun, and you can draw eyes. You can draw eyes that are far apart or close together, or cartoon eyes, however you want to. So I'm going to draw some big eyes just like this.
You can draw little eyes like, oh.
Okay, and I might have my eyes connected. I always like drawing cartoon eyes. And then with the pupils, just like this. And of course you have to have a nice little smile on there.
Oh,
Yeah.
mean one.
And if you want to, you can put a nose on your leprechaun. Now the leprechauns, they have a beard. And this is a fun way to do the beard. And it's kind of like loop-de-loops. Loop-de-loop-de-loop. It's like doing the number line in school where you're just jumping like a frog. You're making the outline of a beard. Loop-de-loop-de-loop.
I finished it. Look,
You
look.
are way ahead of me. And now we're going to draw the body. And the body is just going to be a line that will start right about here and kind of make it roundish and slanted and kind of going out a little bit. Just like that. And then the other part will go down. And then we'll draw some arms, and we can even make some rectangles for that. Just kind
How
of
about the buttons?
come out. Yeah, we can put some buttons on his shirt too.
After the
And here's the hand. And for cartoons, you can draw 4 fingers, 3 fingers. If you look at pictures of cartoons, hands, they're usually like 4 fingers. Of course, a human has how many fingers?
5.
5 fingers. But this is in cartoon land. My marker is starting to go out on me. And you said you wanted some buttons on this, on your leprechaun?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's draw some buttons.
I'm going to draw big buttons.
Big old buttons. I'm going to draw some small buttons there. Okay. I have my Hulk t-shirt on today. That's the only thing I could find that was green. Now, when you are coloring this, after you color your leprechaun, you can even color a rainbow in the background. So are you ready to do a little color time, Lucas?
I just need to finish up my own.
All right. So right now, let's do a little color time. All right, welcome back here. You can see our beautiful pictures of our St. Patrick's leprechaun here. Lucas, he just went down to go get a crayon right there. His leprechaun is holding a bag of gold, a pot of gold, right?
Yeah, a bag of gold.
Bag of gold.
Look.
And I have some gold coins around in the air by my leprechaun. This was a lot of fun to draw and super easy, cheesy, lemon squeezy. Hey, I hope you have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day out there. And like always, have a fun day. Adios.
Bye-bye.